Hello, I'm Teacher Marlon, and I'm so happy to welcome you to Lingo Star. In my classroom, learning English is not just about memorizing words, it's about building confidence, expressing yourself, and having fun along the way. I've created a friendly, encouraging space where every student feels safe, supported, and motivated to speak up, make mistakes, and grow. Through interactive activities like songs, games, real life conversations, and colorful visual aids, I make sure each lesson is dynamic, exciting, and tailored to your learning style. I truly believe that every student is unique, so I adapt my teaching to meet your individual goals, whether you're just beginning or ready to take your English to the next level. So if you're ready to learn, laugh, and grow with me, you're in the right place. Let's make learning English a joyful journey together at Lingo Star. I can't wait to meet you, so book your class today.